Yo, what is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. We are in Nasty Red right now, and we got some stuff done on it, so I want to go over just a few of the things. Basically, this is just going to be a short little update video. I'm going to go over some of the stuff that's just been done to Nasty Red and the importance of it, and then also some minor things with the other red truck. I'll just tell you right now. We got the new fender in for the red truck. It's not painted yet, but we do have the new OEM replacement fender in, and it's scheduled to be dropped off tomorrow to get that fender painted and installed with the moldings put back on from a different truck. And then it should be all good to go. And then that truck should look good as new. And then also with Nasty Red, let me just kind of tell you what we did. We did brakes and rotors, and then we also did, it looks like they have some new little brackets and some new little brake lines and stuff that they may have redone. On a sharp turn, this truck would rub a little bit. We put those longer, what are they called? Upper and lower control arms. We put some longer upper and lower control arms to recenter the front axle according to this truck being leveled out at 2.5 inches. It's a 2.5 to 3 inch leveling kit style A-arm, so it's supposed to push the axle and center it back up a little bit so that everything rides perfect. And we also did new U-joints and axle shaft. Let's go take a look around. And then also another quick little thing. This truck is getting paint and body work done by Jacob, the GM man. So this truck's going to be getting picked up by him in about a week. But before he does that, I'm going to be dropping it off at a transmission shop that's highly trusted by the diesel guys around here that get their trucks built. It's like their go-to shop. So I'm also going to have the transmission built. I think we're going to drop it off either tonight or tomorrow morning to get that done. And then, like I said, Jacob's going to be doing all the paint and body work. And then we got a new door coming in, fenders, rockers, all that stuff. And then if you can see there's a new part. And there. New little bracket there. New bolts. Upper and lower control arms are brand new. And then this truck needs pressure wash under there. It's just a little bit dirty. But then if you look under here, look under there, you can see the new brakes and rotors. There's some new shiny stuff down in there, right up against where it mounts up there. See new U-joint, rotors, brakes, all that stuff, all redone. I'll show you these new brakes and all the new components. All the new components in there, the new brakes and rotors and all that stuff. They just have some like new brackets and stuff and lines, it looks like, that they did. We've been taking our trucks there for years. Pretty much all of our trucks have been there for something or another to get repaired, and always comes back way better than it was when it left. So anyways, like I said, Nasty Red is also going to be getting the paint and body work done in a transmission build. We should be dropping it off either tonight or tomorrow to get that taken care of. A couple of other things I want to mention. We are doing a sale. This is the first time we've done a sale on stuff in a year. The last time we did a sale was last year, this time for 15% off anything left on the store. Right now we're doing 25% off on all t-shirts left on the store. Okay, there's not a lot there, so if you guys want to get entered, also the ATV in cash giveaway ends in 8 days. So time's ticking, about a week left to enter the giveaway, and this is an opportunity for you to spend your money and get more for your money. So for example, if you were going to buy 4 t-shirts, ordinarily it would have been about $100 give or take. Right now you'd be paying $75 for the 4 shirts, and you're pretty much getting one of those shirts free, you know, when you go to check out. So just a really good deal. Only the first 100 orders placed using that code LNP25 get 25% off. Only for t-shirts. It doesn't go for decals and all that other stuff. So it would have to be a t-shirt only order, but that would get you 25% off your order if you can get it before somebody else takes it. First 100 orders using that code is it, and then the sale's over. And then also, after those codes are used, there might not be any more t-shirts. So the t-shirts are they're going pretty quick, and it is limited 1 use of the code per person. Sale ends in the next 30 hours. The 14th at midnight, which is tomorrow night, it's over, and the 25% off thing for the first 100 people is over. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. Link in the description. We don't do these often, so make sure you get in on that while you can. Guys, that's probably going to do it for this vlog. I know it's very, very short. Just kind of a little update on everything we just got done on Nasty Red, which is brakes and rotors and just new stuff here and there, new front end parts and stuff like that. And then also we did get the fender in for the big red 12 valve, and that is scheduled to get dropped off tomorrow. Transmission to be built tomorrow. And then also, as soon as it gets back, Jacob's gonna be coming to pick up the truck, the GM man, to completely, he's gonna have it for a month to do paint and body restoration and stuff. So super excited for that stuff. This truck's gonna be a completely different beast, and it's getting quite expensive, but I told my dad I was gonna take it on and I was gonna finish the build and just get it done, and it's gonna be sick when it's done. When it comes to paint, we're not going to be changing the paint scheme. I love the classic, just silver and like, it's like almost like a maroon. I love that look. It just looks really good on that truck, and it keeps that good old farm truck look, but it's going to be all restored and in really good shape. So I'm super excited. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. Remember, discount code ends tomorrow at midnight, then it can't be used anymore. For all t-shirts in stock only. Doesn't apply to hoodies, decals, keychains, stuff like that, lanyards. But all t-shirt orders, 25% off. If you make it within the first 100 people to use that code. After 100 people use it, it's gone and you can't use it anymore. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It really just helps this kind of stuff keep going on and keep moving forward. A lot of huge stuff coming up and stuff within the next month or two that is just gonna blow your mind when you hear about what's going on. So thank you guys so much. You guys rock. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Up.